So, so I've been sneezing. So Dad's been sneezing a lot of times. I thought if I get water and then do this, that would make it. That would sneeze him. It's actually fake sneeze. It's actually water, you know. So, so. Sorry, bro. No.
I'm gonna put her in my juice too, because she would buy me my own gallon of juice.
I could only take one person. Buddy race.
I'm sorry.
Not funny, right?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Dad.
She's the only chick I know.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Stop it. Yeah.
So, it's failed. So I forgot if I put this water on my mustache, they're gonna think I sneezed on him. So, but I didn't. Sorry, bro. Let's go. Let's do it again. Stop. Like that. That's like that. And then once I do that, I put the water there. And then once I do that, I'm gonna like that, okay? So, yeah.
A little bit over 49 per person. I'm on the phone doing
I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean it. I swear. I swear to God.
Okay. So as the way we have it right now is we're doing a cash bar, so people are paying for their own, and then you're supplying the food and soft drinks. Okay? Okay, you're welcome. Bye-bye. Turn that off. What are you
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I sneezed on you.
Okay.
I'm really sorry. I'm just kidding. It's a prank. It's a prank. It was just a joke. It was really water. I'm also posting this on YouTube.
Oh, don't post nothing.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like that button and then subscribe. If you subscribe, I will do some more pranks to my dad and everyone else. So please hit that subscribe button now and then like it now, and then I will make some more videos like pranks or anything like that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, because sometimes I'll give you away some things that I don't need or use anymore or want. So please hit that subscribe button now. So see you. Bye.